Okay, I just received the Mars HYDRO T2000. I previously used the T1000. I took the liberty of cutting the top off so as not to bore anyone. This is how it looks right inside the box. Let me get the cables out here. Got the same timer I got in my T1000. The same. I really like this thing, even though I didn't show how to operate it. It has a humidity and a temperature setting on it, so you can set an alarm on it that if it goes below or above either one of those, the settings you have on it, alarm goes off to notify you, like turn your fan on, turn your fan off, or whatever. Okay, Mars has nice pulleys. No need to buy aftermarket pulleys with their pulleys. This one's a little different than my last one because it's a double. Basically, there's two of these. I don't know if they call them ballasts, but should just, let me see if they both fit on equally. Yeah, I got this on Amazon. I'll put the link. I always put the link to everything I use on Amazon. I'm not going to get anything for it for the purchases or anything, but I think Amazon's the best place to buy stuff for a whole bunch of reasons, price, etc., etc. Dogs barking in the backyard. Yeah, I think this came all in all with the free shipping, a little shy of $300. But I like Mars a lot because they are the most inexpensive of a light of good quality. I mean, there's some lights that are like crazy expensive, Now this light here, the T2000, is going to go in my 4x4 tent. That's what it's intended for. So I'm going to be replacing my metal halide 630 watt with less than half the wattage. Cut my power bill way down. Looks like that's going to go. Yeah, if I put the dimmer switch going this way, my guess. I didn't read the directions. I'm one of those people that never reads directions, unless it comes down to it, that is. Really having to. But I had one of those Whirlpool, as they call them, LED lights originally, but I always go back to my metal halides and high pressure sodiums just because of the size that they put on. But the full spectrum white light on these does in fact give you the same size because of the light lumen output as those type of lights, and give you the quality too. Am I twisting this damn thing the right way? My eyes are no good. Como lo ves? Okay, I took the liberty of cutting those things off. I hate to drag anything out. Oh, crazy. Sticker. Okay. So flip the switch. And then there's your brightness knob. So, I'll show you on the low power, the low setting here, what we see. Got a couple different spectrums, majority of the white light, which puts out all your lumens, which really gives you that big growth that you want. Have some infrareds here, which are good for trichome production during flower. So I'm gonna go ahead and crank her up here. To the camera, it may not look like anything, but you can't even face it. It's like insane. Well, go ahead and set her up now. Yeah, these lights they have considerably larger lights than this. They have the long ones that are meant for, like warehouse or large grow rooms and what have you. This is going to be like the biggest that I go with. Again, the 4x4. It's just fine for my tent. I was real happy with the T1000. It's running great. Grew real nice. So I think Mars is definitely. I don't think anyone could say there's another light that's doesn't give you more bang for your buck as this. Okay, well next stop we'll go ahead and install this.